y equal to 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 divided by 36 minus 1. So we need to find out d square y by dx square for this function. At first, differentiate y with respect to x. So d dx of y. So what will be d dx of y? Look, denominator, just use this formula d dx of u by v. What is u by v? That is v will be at first, then we'll differentiate d dx u minus u d dx of v divided by v square, where u and v are function of x. Okay, so the denominator 3x minus 1 will be at first, and we need to differentiate the numerator. So differentiate 2x plus 5 with respect to x will be 2 minus 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, and if we differentiate 3x minus 1 with respect to x, we will get 3 divided by 3x minus 1 whole square equal to, we can write 2 3s are 6x minus 2 minus 6x minus 15. After cancelling 6x and 6x, we will get minus 2 minus 15 will be minus 17. So 3x minus 1 whole square. At last we can write minus 17 by 3x minus 1 whole square. Now we need to differentiate this one again. D square y by dx square. That means differentiate this one with respect to x again. Then what will we get? Minus 17 into 3x minus 1 to the power minus 2. So we can write minus 2 into 3x minus 1 to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. So at last we will get 17 to the 34 by 3x minus 1